Introducing the Gedore MTS 1200 mechanical torque tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to measure torque values with precision and accuracy. Manufactured by Gedore, a renowned brand in the assembly industry, this mechanical torque tester is a valuable addition to any quality control or assembly workstation. Covering a wide torque range from 2.4 to 12 Newton meters, the MTS 1200 caters to a wide variety of applications, making it an ideal choice for both light and heavy-duty fastening tasks. Equipped with 1/4 and 3/8 square drive sizes, this torque tester accommodates various types of fasteners, enhancing its versatility in different assembly processes. The clear and precise scale on the MTS 1200 enables accurate torque readings, ensuring consistent and reliable measurements. Built to withstand rigorous use in industrial environments, the Gedore MTS 1200 is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and durability. With its user-friendly design, the Gedore MTS 1200 mechanical torque tester is easy to operate, minimizing training time and maximizing productivity. Invest in the Gedore MTS 1200 and take your quality control processes to the next level.